Thank you so much for clicking on our channel and watching this video. I'm an employee from the FAAO Factory. Today I'd like to talk about a topic. When we use towels, especially in the bathroom, have you noticed they're often damp? Plus, they can have a strong musty smell. And when we use them, our skin might feel some discomfort. If so, please let me know in the comments section. Actually, this is likely because there are bacteria and mites on our towels and there could be a huge number of them. So using them is like spreading bacteria on our skin, which can cause things like acne or facial allergies. Today, I want to introduce a product that solves this problem perfectly. It's a bestseller from our FAAO factory, the 601 series electric towel rack. First, this electric towel rack is made from premium aluminum alloy. After thorough and careful long-term research and development, its surface has been specially treated to be waterproof, heat-resistant, and rust-proof. In dark, humid, and damp bathroom environments, you can be confident it will not develop any major issues. Its durability is truly excellent. First, it supports free temperature adjustment between 30 and 70 degrees Celsius, allowing you to precisely set the temperature to your preference. You can choose the most suitable setting based on the different items you need to dry, such as gloves, hats, underwear, towels, or other similar belongings. You can switch the temperature according to these items. Also, it supports customizable working hours. It's not on standby 24 hours a day, which would consume a lot of power. You can set a timer from 0 to 9 hours. For example, if we need it for 4 hours, we just set it for 4 hours. Once the parameters are set, it'll turn off automatically after 4 hours, effectively reducing your electricity costs. Plus, it's great for disinfecting and protecting children's clothes, right? Because children's skin is different from adults, right? You can use it in the bathroom or the bedroom, and you don't have to worry about electrical safety. First, it has an IPX4 waterproof and overheat protection rating, so even rinsing it with water in the bathroom is perfectly fine. We also support OEM and ODM customization, including logo and packaging. If you're interested in collaborating, visit our YouTube homepage to contact us via WhatsApp or email. We only make high-quality products. Located in Wenzhou, China, we have over 25 years of experience in bathroom product manufacturing. Thank you for watching.